Here's a quick tip on Blender's new extrude feature. So if we go into edit mode and we extrude a face and extrude this face. Now let's say we want to extrude this face. Normally we hit E and we extrude it. But if you go in X-ray mode, you see that there's some internal faces here. And if you want to get rid of that, here's how you do that. With the new Blender Extrude. So again, we extrude, and now we want to extrude this. There's two ways to do it. You can do your regular extrude, and then down here at the left, in this menu, you can hit Dissolve Orthogonal Edges, and if you look at X-ray mode, that removes the internal faces. The other method is we extrude, and now when you extrude, you can hit Alt E, and Extrude Manifold does the same thing. And as you can see, the Dissolve Orthogonal Edges is already checked, so the interior faces are removed.